Our universe. You see billions of stars twinkling in the sky at night. They look like tiny dots because they are very far away from us. But actually, stars are huge balls of gases that produce their own light and heat. The sun is also a star. It is the nearest star to the earth, so it appears big when compared to other stars. The other stars cannot be seen in the daytime due to bright sunlight. You have seen the stars in groups. These groups are called galaxies. Some groups of stars form a pattern in the sky called constellations. Stars are not only bodies we see in the sky at night. There are some other bodies which emit light but do not twinkle. These bodies are called planets. The heavenly bodies that move around the sun are called planets. Planets do not have light and heat of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. They move around the sun along a fixed path called orbit. The sun and the planets together form the solar system. There are 8 planets that move around the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the outer planets. Let's know about these planets. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Its surface is covered with craters. It has no air and no water. It is hot during the day and cold at night. Venus. Venus is the brightest and hottest planet in the solar system. It is also called the morning and evening star as it shows up brightly in the morning and evening. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet that supports life. It is also called a blue planet because 70% of its surface is covered with water. Mars. Mars is called the red planet because it is covered with red dust. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is the giant gas planet covered by thick clouds of gas. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet. It is surrounded by rings made up of ice, rocks, and dust particles. Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet. It is the first planet that was discovered using a telescope. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. It experiences fast blowing storms. There are some heavenly bodies that move around the planets. They are called satellites or moons. Most of the planets have their own satellites or moons. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Inside the Earth, many years ago, a big ball-shaped structure got exploded with a big bang. From this, many small structures formed. One was our Earth. Earlier, our Earth was a huge ball of fire, dust, and gas. For many years, it kept spinning and its outer surface became cold and hard. Its inner surface became hot and molten. Layers of the Earth. The Earth has many layers. The outermost layer of the Earth is crust. The crust is a solid hard layer made up of rocks. Under the crust is the mantle. It is a thick layer of rocks rich in iron and magnesium. Below the mantle is the core, the center of the Earth. Liquid outer core is a mixture of iron and nickel. Solid inner core is made up of iron 80% and small amount of nickel. It is the hottest part of the Earth. Volcano. Volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust from where the hot gases and molten rocks called magma erupt out. Sometimes the temperature and pressure in the core of Earth increases, which force the hot gases and magma to gush out through the mouth of the volcano. The magma that comes out on the Earth's surface is called lava. Movements of the Earth. Earth shows 2 types of movements, rotation and revolution. Rotation. The Earth spins on its axis from west to east. The upper end of the axis is called the North Pole and the lower end is called the South Pole. An axis is an imaginary line which runs from the North Pole to the South Pole axis. It is slightly tilted. The spinning of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation of the Earth. Rotation of the Earth causes day and night. The part of the Earth that faces the sun experiences a day. The part of the Earth that turns away from the sun experiences night. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Revolution. Except rotation, the Earth also moves around the sun. This movement is called revolution of the Earth. The Earth completes one revolution in 365 1/4 days. The Earth's revolution is responsible for seasons. When the Earth moves around the sun, the North Pole is slightly tilted towards the sun. The northern hemisphere receives more sunlight and has summer season. The southern hemisphere receives less sunlight and has winter season. In between these two seasons in a hemisphere, it also experiences autumn and spring seasons. The weather in these seasons is neither too hot nor too cold.